Did you know the man who unified Islam's holy book was murdered while reading it, causing the religion's greatest split? Uthman ibn Affan, the third caliph, made a controversial decision in 656 AD. He created one official version of the Quran and ordered all regional variants burned. This sparked massive political opposition across the Muslim world. Rebels accused him of destroying sacred texts and demanded his removal. On a quiet morning in Medina, angry protesters stormed his home. They found the elderly caliph sitting peacefully, reading from the very Quran he had standardized. He was reciting verses from Surah al-Baqarah when they struck him down. His blood spattered across the pages he was reading. That manuscript reportedly still showed bloodstains centuries later. His assassination triggered the first fitna, Islam's first civil war. The Muslim community split permanently into Sunni and Shia factions. The man who tried to unite Islam through one holy book became the catalyst for its greatest division, a tragic irony that echoes through history today.